Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on Roblox piano. First, you'll need to join a Roblox game that offers a virtual piano, like Piano Keyboard or Robloxian High School. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the piano interface. Most games map the piano keys to your computer keyboard, often using the top 2 rows of letters. Getting comfortable with this layout is your crucial first step to making music. Now let's find the music. Search online for Undertale Roblox piano sheets or Undertale MIDI to find note sequences. Websites like Roblox piano sheets or YouTube tutorials often provide letter-based notations, which are perfect for the Roblox piano. Start with simpler songs like Megalovania or Spider Dance to get the hang of it. You'll find that many popular Undertale tracks have been transcribed for this exact purpose. Once you have your notes, it's time to play. Most Roblox pianos use the Z and X keys to shift between octaves, allowing you to reach a wider range of notes. Begin by playing each note slowly, focusing on accuracy rather than speed. Gradually increase your tempo as you become more comfortable. Consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing and help you master those Undertale melodies. To truly elevate your Roblox piano skills, consider recording your practice sessions. Listening back can highlight areas needing improvement, like timing or note accuracy. Also, engage with the vibrant Roblox piano community. Many groups and forums share tips, tricks, and even host virtual concerts. Don't be afraid to experiment with more complex Undertale pieces as your confidence grows. With dedication, you'll be performing your favorite tunes in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.